Healthy breakfasts don't have to be boring. Today, I'll show you how to make the perfect avocado toast that's creamy, crispy, fresh, and ready in just 10 minutes. This simple recipe is packed with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and incredible flavor, making it perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a light lunch. Let's get started. You'll need 2 slices of sourdough or whole wheat bread. Take 1 ripe avocado that's soft but not overly mushy. You'll also need half a fresh lemon. Prepare extra virgin olive oil. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper. For a little heat, use red chili flakes. Fresh parsley or cilantro adds wonderful color and freshness. Optional toppings include sliced cherry tomatoes, cucumber, feta cheese, smoked salmon, poached eggs, microgreens, or everything bagel seasoning. Begin by toasting the bread until it becomes golden brown and beautifully crispy. A crispy slice of bread creates the perfect contrast to the creamy avocado topping. While the bread is toasting, cut the avocado in half. Carefully remove the pit. Scoop the avocado into a mixing bowl. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice. Add a small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Season with salt and black pepper. Sprinkle in a pinch of chili flakes. Mash everything together using a fork until the avocado becomes creamy while still keeping a little texture. The fresh lemon keeps the avocado bright and prevents it from turning brown. Once the bread is perfectly toasted, place it on a serving plate. Spread a generous layer of mashed avocado across each slice. Make sure every bite is covered with creamy avocado. Now it's time to add your favorite toppings. Arrange sliced cherry tomatoes over the avocado. Add thin cucumber slices for extra freshness. Sprinkle crumbled feta cheese for a rich, salty flavor. Place a perfectly poached egg on top for extra protein and a beautiful presentation. Scatter freshly chopped parsley over everything. Finish with another light sprinkle of chili flakes. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top. Add 1 final squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The combination of creamy avocado, crunchy toast, juicy tomatoes, and fresh herbs creates an amazing balance of flavors and textures. This breakfast is not only delicious but also nutritious and satisfying. Avocados provide heart-healthy fats and important nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Serve your avocado toast immediately while the bread is still crisp. Pair it with fresh fruit, orange juice, coffee, or your favorite smoothie for a complete breakfast. This easy recipe is perfect for busy mornings, healthy meal prep, or weekend brunch with family and friends. Try different toppings every time to create your own favorite version. Cooking healthy meals at home is easier than you think. If you enjoyed this avocado toast recipe, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to FlavorMint for more delicious recipes from around the world. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next recipe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next delicious recipe.